Graduation, UNC Chapel Hill 2021, Sheridan C.
Wow.
I hereby confer upon you the degree for which the faculty has certified you, together with all the rights and privileges thereunto pertaining. And I offer you my warmest congratulations. Please be seated.
I am privileged to lead you in moving your tassels from right to left, signifying your new status. On the count of 3, we will do this together. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, Target.
Thank you, Chris.
His mommy didn't know her. Okay. I don't know this. Okay.
Are those your friends?
Yeah.
Wow.
What's your friend doing?
Yeah.
So did you want to go over there?
Yeah,
Go right there quick. Or do you want to come down here?
I don't
That's
know.
so big.
Or do you want to go up first and then come down?
Yeah, let's just go here before we go.
Are they over there? Hey, no, not with them. Does everybody want to take pictures? I guess I have a picture. Yo le lo.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Yo me get that. I'll take it.
I don't know. Probably not.
Oh my God, that's right.
Is it inventory level?
I'll let you come in
Maybe you're driving.
Yeah, remember we always
I'm sure no one's going to be there. Unless they have
Mary. 나 최대리 히브가 마마 Congratulations. Hello. Take out your mask. Quick.
Come right here so I can get a picture with the stadium.
For joining us for the commencement exercises. Graduates, please exit the stadium through the stands and concourse.
Mama nêu. Ta hô cả miêu.